Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm one of the laser and skin specialists here in Dundrum, and in this video we're going to talk about the Vital C travel kit. So what this travel kit does is it helps with people that have dry, dehydrated, redness prone skin, sensitive and also Asian skin. It's really good for somebody that suffers with rosacea also. In this kit there is your cleanser, so it's good to use that and it takes off all of your makeup. And it also has a lot of vitamin C, so infuses your skin with vitamin C as well. It also has your anti-aging serum. So the anti-aging serum has a blend of vitamin C, so you could put that on morning and night, and it also hydrates your skin. It has antioxidants, it's going to brighten your skin as well. It also has your SPF. So SPF, we all know how important it is, so a tiny little bit every morning. It has, in this one, the hydrating, and it also has the correct ingredients inside as well. So titanium dioxide and zinc oxide is always the ingredients that we're looking for in our SPFs. Our evening time side, again, you would have your cleanser, so it's going to get rid of all those impurities, all your makeup, etc. It also has your total repair cream. So your total repair cream it's an antioxidant formula, so it feels really creamy, which is really nice, and it's also going to help hydrate the skin. And then there's also your enzyme mask inside. Your enzyme mask you would only use once a week, and what that does is it helps with your dullness, hydration. It gives us our vitamins inside our skin, and it also eats away at all of our dead skin cells. So just once a week, and you can build it up on how long that you leave the mask on for. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know.